Microsoft Office Scripts team released a new user survey. They want to know your views on the creation of new Office Script coding events. Here they are. As you can see, there is a workbook open and a worksheet added event. These are analogous to the same named VBA events. What is new is the suggestion to create an event for row added, edited, etc., and also a range edited event. This latter event is particularly useful as it means you could track a change to an individual cell and respond with a script that, for example, creates a pivot table, analyzes data, and then charts that data. If you use the SharePoint trigger action in Power Automate, which fires when a file is changed, you could use it with an Excel file, and in this case connect that flow with these new Office Script events. However, all of that said, none of these events exist yet, and it still will be a while before they do. But it will help if you fill in the survey and make a case for them.